Merry Christmas, Gators! If you celebrate, if not, I hope you're just having a fantastic, relaxing day at home, hopefully filled with lots of delicious food. Today, you guys, we are bringing back from the dead a series I don't think we've done in a year. Can you guess why I have wet hair today? Can it curl? I have truly missed this series, and I blame my lack of creativity these past couple of months for not bringing out more Cheetos, Barbie dolls, marshmallows, tampons, fidget spinners. Have we only done 5 of these? Only 5 that I can remember. But you guys, today I have a special surprise because in the comments section of every Can It Curl I've ever done, I always ask you guys, like, in the comments down below, tell me what you guys want to see me curl my hair with next. And the thing without a doubt that you guys have commented more than any other item ever is beauty blenders. But I've never had enough beauty blenders on hand at any given time to be able to curl my hair with them because you guys, you know what? Let's reveal my hair. In case you guys haven't seen it lately, I've had it like curled and crimped and all kinds of stuff a lot so that you can't really see the true length of it. But look at this, you guys. I think, yeah, these are my hips down here. So yeah, it's too long. We gotta, you know what, 2020, we're gonna change it up, but different conversation for a different day. I am gonna need a lot of beauty blenders. So Beauty Blender actually stepped in to sponsor today's video because, oh my God, they are launching a brand new beauty blender tomorrow on Christmas. This is only gonna be available at Sephora and on beautyblender.com. It's called the Beauty Blender Wave, and a more perfect beauty blender for me has honestly never been created because you guys know I'm into all the 90s nostalgia, all that good kind of stuff. What is something we always think of with the 90s? Did you think mood rings? Because these are color changing beauty blenders. First of all, look at the container. And I honestly like these containers more than ever before because they're actually like hard shell plastic. So they are like reusable over and over again to put your damp beauty blender in, you know, while you're using it on your makeup workstation. Just a little bonus, Jonas. I think this sponge was definitely designed to help people to remember to wet their beauty blenders. I had no idea that some people don't use them wet or maybe don't know that they're supposed to wet them. When these sponges are wet with cool water, they are this beautiful like lavender lilac shade. When they're exposed to heat, like even if you touch them or fill them with warm water, they instantly transform to this powder blue shade. Just watch this. Your mind is about to be blown. First of all, I think that the lamps are kind of heating them up a little bit, but watch this, you guys. You see that? So you can see like the parts that the hairdryer didn't get are still like the lavender lilac and the rest of it looks powder blue. Oh my God, I love this so much. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the next couple of hours is I'm going to be filling my hair with these little soft spongy babies. Now we have, I think 60 beauty blenders to put in my hair. So can I fit all 60 in? I don't know. But I am honestly excited to see how these curls are gonna turn out because they are a little bit maybe like sponge or foam rollers in the first place. Oh my God, like do you have an 80s mom, a 70s mom? Because did your 70s, 80s mom use those pink sponge roll curlers ever? This is what those remind me of. Before we get started, I feel like I had to do at least like one more parlor trick. So I have a bucket of ice here and we are gonna put beauty blenders on ice. Let's dump them in here. Oh my God. Wait, you guys can't see. Look at that. They're so bright purple now. And now instantly bright purple. Bright purple, hand frozen. Time to put the first beauty blender in. So you guys always know I like to try and like curl the first piece, like just talking to you guys so I can tell y'all like how easy or difficult the process is. And then I'm gonna speed it up so you guys can like actually see me curling my hair with them. So I'm just gonna be picking them up out of this ice water and rolling them up in my hair. I thought that they would actually curl my hair better if I put them in damp. I don't know why I thought that, but I did. See, I think I need to like leave a tail on the end to hold them in my hair. Similar to how we did the Barbie dolls, where I kind of like anchored them in using this little like in section of hair. I feel like it always takes me like a couple minutes to like logistically think about like, how am I gonna curl my hair around a beauty blender or a tampon? See, the good thing is they are like very squishy. So here we go. Yay! That only took me like 3 tries. Oh my god, you guys can't see anything I just did. I'm also very excited for this process because I think it's gonna be the least painful K-knit curl I've ever done. Here's sponge 1. How many did I say I have? 70? 69 or 59 to go. Let's get started. You guys, I don't even know how many beauty blenders I ended up putting in my hair. I will admit, this was a little bit more challenging in ways that I did not think about and I did not anticipate, and that's because the beauty blender is in a teardrop shape, so I tried to just kind of keep the hair centrally wrapped around the middle of the sponge, but then I think when I started to pin it on my head, it would kind of shift and want to like have my hair slip off the more pointed end. I am sad to say I think that I poked a couple of beauty blenders, like poked holes in them with the bobby pins to try and secure them. Another huge thing that I didn't think about is I put them in wet just because I thought that the wet sponge would maybe grip onto my wet hair a little bit better. When it's wet, the beauty blender does expand up to 2 times its original size. So I thought that that would also be easier to like make sure I had enough sponges to wrap all my hair around, like if the beauty blender itself was thicker when I was wrapping my hair around it. Although I didn't then think like when I dry it, the beauty blender is going to shrink back down to its original size. So I don't know if we're about to just see beauty blenders like springing and falling out of my hair all over the place. I'm not sure how uniform the curls are gonna end up looking because I'm not gonna lie, like after I got the first like 7 blenders in, I thought that there was no way that I was gonna have enough to curl my whole head with. I started off putting like really tiny pieces of hair because I don't know, I mean, that's like half the fun of K-knit curl is to like be able to see the crazy object I have bobby pin to my head. So I didn't want to like cover the blender with too much hair. I don't know. So I started off like wrapping really tiny bits of hair. Then I thought I was gonna run out of blenders. So then I panicked and I started putting in like more wider sections of hair. But then I realized I still had a bunch left over. So I think we're gonna get some wonky different size curls. But you guys, I'm so glad we're here because the first like 5 kept popping out of my head and I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna get my whole head done? So this would normally be the time where I put this cap over my head to let them dry, but I think it would be so much funner and funnier to show you guys like some more of the really cool like color changing aspects by showing you guys like the blender getting dried. And also I just want to see if they're gonna start like falling out of my hair when they start shrinking. I loaded up this spray bottle with ice water. So what I'm gonna do is try and like just dry them really quick, but then spray them with ice water so that we'll just see. We'll see what happens. Oh my God, it's like they're so cold with the coldness of my hair and just coming straight out of ice water. And does this just fascinate me every single time? I'm easy to please. What can I say? Okay, now that you guys can see that they're kind of powder blue, look at that. Spraying them with ice water just immediately transforms them back. I'm gonna be honest, they're dropping like flies. I think that this is the most items I've ever had spring out of my head once I've secured them in. I think we've lost 5, maybe 6 along the way. I think that I am gonna go ahead and use our trusty bonnet. I just don't really feel like I'm adequately being able to like dry them all over. Just like spot drying them, because it honestly has already been 30 minutes and they still feel pretty damp. There we go. I have to admit though, this has been the most comfortable can it curl that I've ever done, because it feels like I have light fluffy clouds on top of my head. Oh my god, do you guys remember fidget spinners? That was definitely the worst. You guys ready to see some bonnet magic? Oh yes, it's like the safety pins. Why do I keep saying safety pins? It's like the bobby pins just heated up so hot on my head, it was like little points of fire all over my scalp. I think it's been like another 45 minutes. I don't even know anymore, you guys. I started this at 9 a.m. and it is 1:30 now and my phone is about to die. How many are gonna fall out? I think they feel dry. How crazy is it though? They must still have some moisture locked in them, because, oh no, you know what? Hello, I was switching between cold and hot. So I bet that that's why some parts they look like lavender and some parts they look powder blue. Okay, let's take this one out. Can I just like slip them out? Oh, is this gonna be the most amazing ever? It's like still stabbed somewhere on my hair. See, that's the only part, is I think like where the sponge actually was. We're gonna see some awesome curls, but to get the sponge to stay in my hair, I had to leave kind of a longer tail. Oh my god, look at the state of my hair, you guys. At this point, I think I might just have to cut it myself. It needs to be cut so bad. Oh no. It is still damp, you guys. I guess that's just like part of the magic of Beauty Blender. You know, they're meant to like hold in moisture so that you can bounce and blend your makeup. Also, I kept spraying my hair with wetness. That's what I'm trying to say. Water, hello. I think I just had to like wrap it around so tightly to get the sponge to try and stay in my hair. Should I try and dry them a little bit more? Back to the drawing board. Oh my god, look at how cool these look though. So that must mean that my hair is still damp. I mean, obviously my hair is still damp, but you guys, I've literally been drying it for over an hour. Like, I've never had to dry my hair for an hour before in my life. Oh no, I stabbed this one, you guys. Look at that. Oh no. I can't see where I stabbed it though. Amazing. Yeah, my hair is still really damp. This kind of looks cool though. Honestly, I'm not hating this style. What do you guys think? Can we call Vogue? Oh my god, there's still so many. I thought that this was the last one. And then I see one here. I got them all. Now I just have a wet mop on my head. So I'm just gonna blast these curls a little bit more with a hairdryer. We've never done a Can It Curl so weirdly, so I'm apologizing in advance, but I feel like there should be some curls in here. Like, I see curls. Curls have happened. Now we just have to get them to stay. I'll see you guys a little later. Oh my god, I had to stop you guys mid blow dry. Like, I seriously wish my hair just looked like this. I kind of don't want to take it down. This is the best that my hair has ever looked. I look like Mrs. Lovett, but slightly crazier. Like, if I just tied a ribbon right here, just imagine how gorgeous this would look. It's time for Bobby's pins to get the heck out of my hair. I know I've said this a million times before, but I literally feel my best when I look the most disheveled and rat nesty. You know, you want the outside to reflect how you feel on the inside. That's me right now. I feel like all the bobby pins stuck in my head is gonna be the Christmas miracle that just keeps on giving. I'm gonna be finding little presents in my hair all day. All right, let's give it a sassy flip and see what it, oh my god, what happened here? You know when you look at something and you can't tell if it's good or bad, but you can tell something's happened? I think that's the overall message of today's video. It's like some of the curls started off really good. Like that's a 10 out of 10 wave there with our little Beauty Blender wave. But yeah, what's that? You know, a giant tangle that's gonna take me 12 years to comb out. Is this still better than what we got with fidget spinners or dolls though? I feel like it is. I'm so torn by this experience. Like, this is almost something that I want to revisit either with like one of my shorter human hair wigs or like when I cut my hair shorter, because I truly feel like if I just didn't have this much hair, like this is a lot, and I did wrap a lot of sponges. I kind of liked it better when it was all like weirdly like that. Victorian. Yeah, you guys, I'm not quite sure what the takeaway of this is. Maybe just Beauty Blenders, wonderful devices for blending your makeup, but maybe not so much with the hair curling, but it was a fun experience nevertheless. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching, and also a huge thank you to Beauty Blender and Beauty Blender Wave for sponsoring today's video. So be sure and check them out. I'll put a link for you guys in the info box down below. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye!